Hey y'all, my name is Amber, Sean behind the camera, and it's the Lover AK. So today on this video, we are gonna be building up my room. I don't have a name for her yet, but we're gonna get there. So I got 2 shoe racks that hold up to combined 100 to 124 pairs of shoes, and they got little hooks on the side. They found that for me anyways, period. To hold my purses, because your girl used to work at Michael Kors and I got a problem. But moving on, we are going to battle each other. We're gonna be duking it out to see who can build the shoe rack the quickest. I know it's gonna be me, because I'll be doing this. I mean, he a contractor or whatever, he used to be, you know. But anyways, I know I'm gonna win because it's just a little wooden mallet. But then he's going to be mounting the TV my dad got from me. We got the TV mount from Target. Just like my super cute pillows. We missing one, she over there. Target, period, little tassel. But yeah. Y'all thought he was gonna throw it. Y'all thought he was gonna hit me with this pillow. But yeah, it's super cute. Like, y'all can't tell me Target ain't do their thing with these pillows. But yeah, so we finna get it popping, and I'm finna win.
That was very aggressive.
No, it wasn't. Anyways, y'all, I'm finna win. Build my little shoe rack. Might chase him down the hallway. Who knows? He gonna be eating my dust. But yeah, so shoe rack, TV mount, and y'all get to see my vanity because we built it and we didn't show y'all. But keep it a secret. That bitch is getting ashy too. And then you recorded my hands, like my fingers gonna look like taller hands. What's up with you? Is you beefing? Is we into it? Oh my God. Somebody call 911.
I'm about to whoop your ass. You don't know. You said, what'd you just say?
You're gonna eat my fucking dust.
No, you just, yeah, she ain't had no confidence in herself when she opened this box.
I said, what the fuck is this?
So basically, y'all, we got the same box, the same item. For those who don't know, we just moved into a house a few months ago, so we still, you know, getting stuff, bringing stuff in, yada yada yada. She think it's a race, but in reality, she don't know what to do with half the stuff that she just pulled out of this box.
The fuck I do. Where is the instructions is in the bottom. Lock in, file, tweak out.
No confidence.
Yeah.
I got no confidence in my opponent. I'm letting her get, you know.
Is this man trying to have, he really don't want this, y'all.
I'm letting her get a head start right now.
Okay, well, good. Thank you. I appreciate it. These are little racks for my purse.
She don't know what she does.
Huda. Y'all, he just don't know. We're gonna have a confessional after this. I'm gonna go sit at my vanity and I'm gonna talk about him. Cause that's what he's doing right now. Y'all didn't say y'all next so bad. I'm gonna throw something. Okay. Put it up. Put it up. Put it up. Put it up. This is a lot of things. Oh, why you in my direction?
We're gonna take
I told him to move this dog on contact.
Look, we're gonna take her instructions so she moves.
Bro, I will beat you up. Please, don't.
But basically, this is like the pre-assembly instructions.
I really think I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. But you know, we're gonna go ahead and take them from her so she don't win.
You a hater, bro.
Nah.
What happened to the team spirit? I thought this was the Lover AK. It's giving the beef. I don't like it. Wait, what's it?
Don't ask questions. We're on the same team right now.
I was just playing.
She's capping.
Bro, they look clamps. I know what they are. Yeah. I do this for real. Y'all, I was eye candy my whole life. Like,
What?
eye candy. I didn't help my daddy build nothing. My daddy was like, go sit over there with Fitty, be eye candy.
That's a problem now.
Oh my gosh. This your problem now. Okay, so we're supposed to have 20 of those, 20 of those.
I'm about to build this so fast, I don't even need it.
And that's why he be asking me, he be like, babe, what this is? So anyways, I'm not even gonna do this with him right now. And
Hold on, y'all. We about to move this stuff out the way, create more space, and we're gonna get right back with y'all.
Alright, y'all, so I kicked his ass like I said I was. It's because he let me, but whatever. Yeah, he freestyled his and I did exactly what the people said. I did what the people said, but yeah, I'm the winner. Okay, so this is my rack. Yeah, it's a little gallery department bag, period. This is his rack. He freestyled his rack, so it don't look like how it's supposed to, but anyways, it's very much still cute. Zeus, fuck around, swallow the screw, that's on you. But oh hey, it's me. But he's gonna end up mounting the TV right there, so we don't have much time because we're going out to eat with my family. But I'm gonna put all my shoes on these two little racks. My wigs are gonna be going up there, and I have some purses that I can hang on the side. So yeah, let's get started.
You gonna ultimately go put those by your Adidas that's out there that you work out in?
Yeah, and I move them black heels because I don't know what I'm about them.
What time is it? You got your watch on?
I surely do not.
Alright, y'all, so she pretty much got everything sorted out. She still got little place fillers here and there. She got the Poochies up here, the Michael Kors.
Big Poochie. What did you say?
Poochie.
Emilio. Poochie. Poochie is different from Gucci. That's what he said.
She got the slides, you know.
Had them back in 20-something. No, 28.
She got her little light that change colors, you know. All that good stuff. Another light right there. Boom. So this is a little sneak peek of what it will potentially like look like when it's like completely dark, depending on where that light is and whatnot. But she got so much room, y'all, to just run around in here now.
Run around is crazy like I'm just alright. Not on a puppy.
But yeah, she got all the room and stuff. So yeah, we just, you know, we about to be, you know, what time is it?
Summertime.
4:11. We about to get ready to go head out to eat soon. So hopefully we make it on time. If not, we still up the street, so it really don't matter. Yeah. So. She was talking about doing the heel toe. Do the heel toe then.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So we gonna update y'all with like another video coming soon. Another video coming soon. Basically, just us sitting down with y'all, telling y'all what we gonna consist of. Our channel's gonna consist of. Ain't gonna be nothing too long. Just something quick. We just, you know, update y'all, let y'all know what to expect, and y'all let us know in the comments what y'all want to see as well. Anything you want to say, man? She trying to get this room set up. She in love with her space. she trying to get it set up. But like I said, we'll make sure we get some finished picture products, and you know, we'll snap one quick 1-2 when we done. And yeah, we'll tap back in. I'm about to go ahead and start getting ready. So we just put at the Home Depot.
What they say? What's that slogan, y'all?
I used to work at Home Depot, and I don't even know like what their slogan was. Please don't hit Depot.
You grab the bolts and stuff?
I got one. I only need to see one. Rockets in the Home Depot. Alright, y'all, so we got what we needed. That's a red socket. We came in here and picked the wrong stuff, but you know, it's cool. We got it from right there. 12, where it says 12.
Okay, because I'm like...
We got it from right there.
Okay.
But, yeah, she got her some command strips. We came in here and got this. We about to leave.
Yeah, what we finna go?
Five Below.
Yeah.
And then we got anywhere else to go? This camera is crazy.
It's a crib.
Not gonna lie.
Hold on. Check. Got the others that they got me for Christmas. These tights are from Silhouette Styles, and so is the top. Then, you know, MK.
She has an addiction.
And
alright, let's go. We're gonna get copyrighted in here. And we out. See y'all soon. So we at Five Below.
alrighty.
A little shopping center. You heard that snap?
Yeah.
That's in that stud.
Yeah. Oh, damn. Wow. Whew.
Alright, now we do
A helpful thing.
So y'all, I got the TV loud up here. That was something that baby wanted in her room, so we're gonna chime back in whenever we get it all done. She on the TV. Bring it over here then.
Yeah, you know, light, yeah.
No, don't drop that TV. Yeah.
And there you go, cuss me out. Yeah. What kind of TV is this? Look upside down. Fire TV.
Yeah, she got her Fire TV 4K.
What did they say?
Fire
Insignia. Yeah. All right.
Well,
okay, so we got the TV mounted. And you can see I finally finished putting all my shoes in. So we told y'all that we went to Home Depot because we needed a socket.
wrench. Socket.
Yeah, because the drill my daddy gave me, he didn't give me the bolt things. Like all we had was screws. So we went and got a socket wrench and the little doggone the ratchet and the socket. That's what we got. Then we went to Five Below and got this super cute trash can. There you go. Okay, cute enough. We got this from, was it Walmart or Target? It was Target.
Walmart.
Walmart?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we got it from Walmart. And yeah. So my TV is 43 inches. It fits 10 to 49. It's full motion, but we're just gonna take that thing to the left and right. Like we swag surfing. So yeah. Put the baby tellies up there. Yeah. That's all I got.
Yeah, on the YouTube. Y'all go like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see every time we post. She in his bed. I'm like, are you live? But yeah, she about to get a few more updates coming soon. She getting a futon couch that turns into a couch in the bed. She getting that. Pink rug. I think she gonna get some curtains too and some wall art. Yeah, she wants a weed, y'all. So we got we gotta get her a weed.
Okay.
And we gonna come in here one day and see her in this bed doing whatever she doing.
She gonna be doing the dances too. I don't know why he's doing that.
Anyways, I'll put Mario Kart on it. For sure. But you like your room, babe?
I love home.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go do what I do. I'm gonna leave you in here to it. Close out your window. Not your window, your video. But I like this bag. It said, what's next? Because literally, what's next, y'all? Like,
Yeah, I did not know that gallery department did like gave bags, y'all, because I got in gallery department for Christmas. And I saw that bag. I said, yeah, give me that. That's so cute.
So yeah, what's next? What y'all want to see next? Comment down below what y'all think we should do. We do got some stuff in motion that we're planning. Knowing, babe, that we're not speaking on just yet. We're gonna let everything rock out. But yeah, thank y'all for watching the video. We got her room somewhat accomplished. Everything that she wanted to get done to it today is done. So yeah. Thank y'all for watching. You wanna tell them about it?